Oh, Coco, my beautiful and amazing people. Chai! Ipa never saw this coming. If only Ipa know, if for trade with caution, if for dey extra careful when it comes to dealing with the public, knowing fully well that a wife wey im marry, im estranged wife na public figure, and this generation wey we dey now, anything that has to do with abuse, say man dey treat woman anyhow, say dem no go like am at all, im for just take style enter house, enter im shell, e for no come out come talk. Una know say as this election, the primaries surface, when at the end of the day dem come bring out result, come Obasanjo media space saying that Ipa lost the election, say e get one particular local government wey give Ipa 3 votes, Okowa 3,000 plus. Ipa say na lie o, e no dey comfortable, say im dey carry the matter go court and that he has video evidence everywhere where they voted for him and he was the winner. This, that. As im tear race go meet the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in person of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that yesterday, I mean day before yesterday when the incident happened. Everything happened on Saturday, the election. So from Monday, na Ipa start dey go up and down. When he meets the president, remember I say, according to the information, they say the president told him that even him in election still dey front, he still dey re-strategize, know how im go do with im own package. But in all, he's going to look into the matter to really know whether if Ipa actually won the election, because im dey put am now for the local government head, say na dem get hand for inside the manipulation wey dem do on top of that result. Now local government chairman come out, come arise, the same arise wey Ipa come put allegation, come allege for their head, say na dem get hand for the mago wey dem do for the election result. Im na the local government chairman too also came to that arise, come talk am say Ipa lied upon their head, say all the people wey dey support am, all the people video wey im gather, wey im talk say im get, say the people they no even get voters card. Now when they reach election ground, they come dey ask them, if you are here to vote, if this one that one, oya o, come out, where your voters card. Most of them, majority of them, they no get voters card. And now why they tell am say make im for contact them, make im reach out to them, so that they go also create awareness. Im too, as e dey do, e suppose ask, you get voters card? Na the most important thing in all of everything wey you dey do for top of campaign matter. You see, campaign matter no be wetin you go just jump say you wan start dey do. You go need to ask question. Even if you wan settle some kind people, you need to ask question. No be to just jump like that, start dey do wetin no dey. So the man now say virtually most of the people supporting Ipa, they just dey shout Chinedu Kanze go up and down, say im just get video evidence of people wey dey just dey follow am, say it is different from they are following you and they are voting for you. Say na pure, even though they told them that nobody should come and release any video evidence or any recordings or the result say so person get 30, so person get 100, so person, make dem allow INEC to be the one to announce the result when time don come. If they don collate all the results put together, they will come and now announce it. Say they no wan see result outside. But Ipa say lie o, e no even wan wait make INEC do im own. E don dey tag am on the state government, say na dem. And the both of them now, him and the Okowa, na APC government. The same way wey Desmond Elliot take find himself for inside politics, come become representative member, na the same thing na it also dey happen. Just like that time, na so they do find their way based on say im be APC, knowing fully well say e get one guy wey him and am dey contest together that time, na LP na the guy dey after, because some people say they no really send the party o, na person wey dey behind the party na dem dey support, no be the party. You fit be ACC and you be good person, they go support you. In as much as say they no like Tinubu administration, they no like a regime, they no like anything, they no wan know anything wey Tinubu got to offer. If you still be the APC and you are doing well, they see say you try for your tenure and you wan come back, definitely they go support you. So nothing like say they manipulate anything. Dat time na so dem do dat LP person, e no get am. Desmond Elliot na e come win. E win finish, second ten ure na so dem still do. Use all the power, whatever wey dem get finish, dem use am do second term. Shebi Desmond Elliot wan come build house for inside there, because I see im video where im come out come dey shout say dem no allow am, im come to vote, this one that one. They no gree. Is this how they do things? Is this how they want to continue? It is unfair. But in dey wash im hand comot now, e no wan do again because the this thing don too much, the drama don too much put together. What is all this? E just dey talk. Me, I come dey ask say, shebi im wan remain there? E wan do 100 years on seat? Even the president sef, na in 4 years na im dey try dey go so, wey im dey try to see if im go come back for another 4 years. You wan come do 4 years, do 8 years, do 12 years on top of wetin exactly? At least you give other people opportunity too, make dem too come express theirself, make dem come showcase wetin dem get to offer, make we too see. But but like this, so based on say this very election this time around, e come with gombe, like e dey hot. Na who no know, na im never know. Even the APC to APC, they hear am real hot. Now, so they take after they expose themselves by themselves, because Okowa is also an APC member. Ned Nwoko is also an APC member. Now, you coming out to say that they don't manipulate the results, they don't turn am upside down, knowing fully well that the both of you are APC. Now, be say, hey, this very election, presidential election this time around, it go hot well. People go really collect left, right, front, back, and center. Now, whether they drag the matter, they go, they drag the matter, they come. Now, the president say, he don't finally found out, because he be give Ned Nwoko assurance that yesterday, and that day where Ipa go there, he been tell am say, according to the information, say he go look into the matter. Whoever that is at fault, whoever that actually won the election will be given the right. His right as well due. They no go collect am from anybody hand. But if the thing won't come become maybe and they no really want, they say magomago dey inside, they fit redo the election, but he will definitely get back to am. Now they say the president can later get back to Ipa, telling Ipa that nothing, he don't make im findings, and with wetin in dey see so far, e be like say people wey Ipa gather no be am at all. They no really support am as suppose. Dem do like say they support, but they go behind im back, go dey do something else entirely. So as such, it automatically means that na Okowa say, because most of them they no get voters card, and without voters card, whatever it is wey it is say you don do is as good as void. Now they come even dey talk and say that particular result wey Ipa come out with, wey dem type, they say the local government chairman wey dem dey in charge say their own result wey dem collect, say they no use typewriter take do am. They no do women number na so, men number na so. They use handwriting, using biro to write everything wey dem do. So which automatically means that one wey Ipa carry come, e no be original at all. Im own result wey im think say im gather, wey be im evidence wey im wan carry for head, say e wan carry dem go court, say that im own, e no origi at all. Omo, no be small thing o. Now wetin dey say e really dey pain Ipa be say, e say after im donate buses for some local government, make dem use am dey do transport, e also build sport university for dem, come do bridge, come dey agitate for Anioma state, say na how dem go take pay am be this. Say e no gree o. he no wan gree at all at all. He say him must come back and that na him win. You no know say true true people fit dey follow you but they are not really following at all at all. Na person wey you get inside wey be your very own close person na you know. In as well as say outsiders are concerned, at any given time they might betray you. They fit turn their back on you at any given time. Because with wetin that chairman come out come talk for Arise, e shows that the people were following him but they were not for him. Because omo, what is this? Make it make sense. Hey, I say people this time around dey collect left, right, front, back and center. Some of them they don look am say omo, they no go win am at all if they even try pull body, which is people like Desmond Elliot dem. They don see am say if dem try pull body they no go even win because already they don dey give them woto woto. Bottle don dey fly on top of fence up and down. No space for him to even say if people wan even vote, not to come talk of whether they go win or they no go win. No space at all. So they don reason am, him don check am go check am come say he no go get head. Na him make him say make him kuku hands up. But if I say na court, a whole president don tell you say with wetin him dey see so far now, you no win anything. You say na lie. Say you like this, you wan go court. Hey, Mama Regina Daniel, as if dem already see am say Ipa e no go work this time around. When she be dey give her prophecy dey talk her own, as if dem be don see am. Because Ademi Regina Daniel still dey inside. Na im as e no win, she come later comot. They go talk say because of say money no dey as expected again, na im make Reji comot. But now she don comot. E never even reach anywhere. Ipa don dey collect left, right, front, back and center. They say lai o, na Okowa na im win because im people dem come prepared. While Ipa people they were following him but they are not following in the ethics of voting. My people, na the matter be this o. How we wan take settle am? Make una come make we interact for the comment section o. What do you guys think? Make una come make we interact. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm the bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.